Let's go down to the deck once again. Another special guest to Victoria.
David, you false started earlier, swam an additional 100, and then were able to rest and come back and get the bronze. What did you do to rest up for your race?
Just got a lot of rest, and I'm just having a great time.
What has been your favorite moment of these games so far?
Meeting new people and making new friends.
Well done. Congratulations.
It's been such a common theme among all of the athletes that I've had a chance to visit with, Rowdy. They all want to make new friends, meet new people. On to division number 8. Seth Rauer from Wisconsin in the middle of the pool in lane number 4. Rauer is only 16 years of age. Connor Holt and Gregory Palumbi in lane number 2. Rauer in the middle of the pool. Aiden Ivers, Michael Rudd, Bradley Henderson from Kansas in lane number 6. There's Ray Rauer from Wisconsin.
Been a Special Olympics athlete since 2014. Does basketball, bowling. He attends high school right there outside of Madison. Sings in his high school choir, and he's got a great freestyle going at 16. Look at this. Yeah, what a swim he has. He's going to be under 120.
Seth is going to win this comfortably. And he does. Seth Rauer from Wisconsin. Michael Rudd, who is outside from Illinois. Again, a very, very strong team. And down at the bottom of the pool in lane number 2. Out of Texas, Gregory Palumbi finishes in 3rd. Top of the pool, a real battle for those finishing spots.
That was a heck of a swim. 1:16 for a 100-meter freestyle. That is getting down the pool. And again, that great length of stroke. He just breezed to his right side, but he gets such a great length with his left arm. And you can see that finish right there at the end. Solid swim. And that is one happy camper.
Congratulations to Seth. Really, really well done. 1:16.60.